jump into Instagram story, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture over here. And in order to get to the arrow tool, you have your marker tool here next to the text tool right on top. Press that, and you have a bunch of options on top. You have your marker here where you could draw different things, and you could change the color on the bottom, same as you've always had. I'm gonna undo that to erase. You still have your highlighter where it's more transparent over here, but now you have an arrow tool. So the way the arrow tool works is if you press it, choose the color that you want. So I'll just choose purple here. And if I just drag my finger here and let go, it makes a little arrow for us. So before, we basically had to choose one of these tools and then kind of draw the arrow this way, and it didn't look great. So let me undo that. But now the arrow tool basically lets you go ahead and point at things just by dragging it like that. Very useful tool because it ends up when you create something from scratch in your Instagram story, for example, when you do a shout out. So if I choose the sticker icon here, and if I just do like an @mention sign to my other account and put it over here, it's really handy to kind of select that marker tool, choose an arrow, and do a call to action this way. Let me choose a different color of this arrow and drag. And I could put text like this and put the arrow. So it's a really cool way to kind of design your Instagram story with the arrow tool. So I wanted to bring it to your attention to know that's a new update inside of Instagram story. I hope you found it useful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.